How to make and create code Instagram story on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top right here and click on create a design. Search for Instagram story and click on it like this. Now on this page you will find many options. All what you have to do is simple. Go here and scroll all the way down like this. Now after you get here, you have to search for the code Instagram story here. Click on see all. Now you can choose any code right here and you can edit it easily. For example, this one, you can edit the text and the photo and everything. Very easy and fast. After you finish, go to the top here and click on download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.